My name is Maddie Thompson. I'm the founder of Madluvv and the creator of the first ever patented brow stamp. I'm grateful that you have allowed us to be a part of your new brow journey. And I know that this is such a new concept and it's gonna take a few times, but you are going to be an expert in no time. So I wanted to show you a little tutorial and a few of my best tips and tricks so that you can implement them and have the best brows of your life. The brow stamp kit contains a super cute on-the-go pouch, the brow stamp, the 6 stencils, and a spoolie brush, as well as, of course, the card with a QR code that gives you the full video rundown that you're seeing today. The brow stamp is composed of 2 ends, the sponge side and the pomade side. The pomade formulation is inside of the cap. We formulated the pomade to have a really thin, waxy barrier so it keeps the sponge and the pomade fresh and clean upon arrival. So when you get the brow stamp, I want you to go and twist it just like this, and then you'll be ready to go. Every kit comes with 6 stencil shapes. For the most natural looking brow, I really recommend choosing the shape that fits best to your natural growth, or you can go a little bit thicker and go with your desired outcome shape. So let's take a look at these stencils. These stencils are all universally flattering and they work for everyone. So let me show you how you use them. I wanna show you a few things that are very important about the stencil. So one, the place that says start here, we are going to start at the tail end of our brow and start stamping and working our way in. And then I want you to notice the short and the long indicators. And I want you to stop wherever you see your natural hair stopping, or just go to your desired length. Once you have broken the brow stamp barrier by twisting it and have selected your stencil, we are ready for brow stamp application. All right, we are ready to start officially stamping. So remember, I want you to start at the tail end of the brow, and I just want you to stamp super lightly. You might not see a ton of pigment come through, but I promise you it is getting on there and it will look amazing. So just stay patient, stamp lightly, and decrease your pressure as you get to the front of your brow. And simply just pull off, and look how amazing that is. It's so easy and so fast. Now, I want you to gently just brush through your brow to just disperse the pigment a tiny little bit. That was so easy, and it was less than 10 seconds. How cool is that? I just noticed that I wanna add a tiny little bit more pigment up here and just make it look a little bit thicker. Here's what I do. So I'm just gonna realign the stencil, and I'm just gonna very lightly just stamp where I want to add. See how that just cleans it up perfectly? And it's so easy to adjust the stencil. After I'm done and satisfied with one side, I'm just going to quickly wipe it off and get started on the other side. All right, so we're gonna start once again at the back of the brow, and we are going to work our way in. And I'm just gonna lighten up my pressure at the front of my brow. And voila. Now I'm just going to gently brush my brow, break up the pigment a tiny little bit so it looks a little bit more natural. And there you have it.